Hey guys, it's your girl Izzy Odigie, and if you don't know me, you're about to get to know me, aka Vibe Master, aka Zanku Legwork, aka whatever you want to call me. Today I'm about to be breaking down 4 of the grooviest and vibiest dance moves from the continent of Africa. Yays. Anyway guys, so this is going to be very easy. If you want to get up, start learning these dance moves with me. We're gonna go now, you feel me? We're gonna be going to Kenya, Angola, Ghana, and of course Nigeria, because I'm a proper Nigeria baby, feel me, little babes. So guys, our first move is gonna be from Kenya, and it's called Kanyaga Lami. Yes, Kanyaga Lami. Kanyaga Lami. So it's very simple, and I'm gonna break it down for you. So first, you're gonna make 4 counts with your legs, right? You're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna do 4 counts around. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now add that together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now our arms, we're going 1, 2, 3. From here, follow my right hand. 5 and 6. Yes? 7, 8. Yes? So that is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna add our arms, that groove, and our legs together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very simple, very groovy. You can pull this out at the club. Let's say you and your girls are out. Ew, 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 gaga, ew, ew, ew. Yes? Cool. Now we are heading to Ghana with our next move called Guda. Guda. It means number 1 because you're number 1. So when you're doing this move, you want to feel like you're number 1, right? So what you're going to do, you're going to stand shoulder width apart. Cool? When you do this, you want to pop your knees out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now when you do that, you want to bring your arms straight out, 90-degree angle. Right angle, not acute, not obtuse. 90 degrees. From here, you want to take your right hand, you're taking 2 fingers, yeah? Because you're top 2 and you're not number 2. So you're gonna take these 2 fingers, you're gonna tap your wrist, your elbow, your chest, and you're gonna hook it down, yes? So you see how my head is gonna touch my right shoulder and I'm hooking it down, right? So that is wrist, elbow, chest, hook it down. Now we're gonna add our arms to our legs. Very slow, you're going 1, 2, 3, hook it. 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 So this move was created by Afro-Beast from Ghana. So shout out Afro-Beast. It is very smooth, it is very easy, it is very groovy. Yes? Let's take it one more time. You're going 1, 2, 3, hook it. 1, 2, 3, hook it. Chale, mado. So now that we've stopped in Kenya and Ghana, we're going all the way down to Angola. Guys, this is one of my favorite go-to transition moves when I'm choreographing. You've probably seen this move a lot of time, but you probably didn't even notice it. But this move is called Sangra. It is so smooth. Again, we're back to our legs. Now, I'm going, watch my leg. You're going and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Again, that is and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So if you notice, I always point when my right leg is up. I'm gonna show you. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now why that is because it's actually part of the move. But instead of pointing, you just have this. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Cool? Now when you do this, you do want to have that flick in your leg. Whoop. Like you wanna, Yeah, so you do want that stank, you do want that stank, yeah? I call it a stank, right? You want that feeling. So we're going 5, 6, 7, slow, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now with this move, you can move up and you can move back. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Simple. Last but certainly not least, we're headed to Nigeria, right? I know you guys have been seeing the leg work. Everyone is just Everyone is leg walking everywhere, yeah? So I'm gonna teach you one of the most popular variations of the Poco footwork. But before I do that, I wanna break down the Zanku, because I feel like the posture, the correct posture of the Zanku can help you execute the leg work properly, yeah? I know you've probably seen it. Everyone's doing these. Everybody's doing these, right? That's what the Zanku is, but we're gonna go back to the basics, the foundations, the proper execution, and then obviously you can spice it up like you guys have been doing, yes? So, with the Zanku, your shoulder length apart. The most important thing that a lot of people miss is that they forget to give agege legs. These are agege legs when your knees are knocking, yes? So instead of Zankuing like this, yes? You want to knock in your knees. You are sitting, and you want to go to the side, right? So not forward, but to the side. That's how you Zanku. He. That is the Zanku, yes? Now, how do we apply that to the leg work? So here is the breakdown. 3 steps, very simple. I hop 1, I step side, side, then I switch 2, side, side, 3, side, side, 4, side, side, 5, side, side, 6, side, side, 7, side, side, 8. Yes? So just do that in your room. It's okay if you don't get this move or any move perfectly right now. This is the tutorial. Screen record this, keep this, continue to practice it. Your body will get used to it. Then you start doing it like a pro in no time. Yes? So again, that is up, tap, tap, up, tap, tap, up, tap, tap, up. Cool? So what that looks like slowly. Do. 1, tap, tap, up, tap, up, 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 up. Now add your agege legs, yes? So you wanna sit, like how you're doing the Zanku, you wanna sit, and this helps you move. So with that same footwork, apply that with agege legs. 5, 6, 7, 8, and hoo, 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 hoo. Ah, yes. I'm just throwing sand anywhere, but that is a variation of the poco footwork. Yes? So now that I've broken down 4 of the grooviest and swaggiest Afro dance moves in my opinion, we're gonna add it all together. We're gonna do 4 Kanyaga Lamis from Kenya. Then we're gonna do 4 Gudas from Ghana. We're gonna do 4 Sangras from Angola, and with an 8 count of Zanku and 2 8 counts of poco footwork. Yes? So let's get started.
Show my band, give me more music. I give you love in a jar. Like you know I do pan now. It go catch you like a bar now. I knock you on, you go bag down. Orinado, Kindo. Bad man with a vibe energy, we pass it kilo Joe. Orinado, Kindo. Bad man with a vibe energy, we pass it kilo Joe. Nobody do me like you do, do me like you do. Nobody do me like you do, do me like you do. Nobody do me like you do, do me like you do. Nobody do me like you do.
So guys, now that you have the movement down packed, right? And you've done it to the music, you've gotten the groove, it has gingered your soul, yes? If you want more information on my projects, more tutorials, or even alerts when I'm teaching classes near you, make sure to sign up on my website, izzyodigie.com. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Bless.